In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix content warning adult content on X. If you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's actually very simple to go ahead and do this, and you could do it on anything you're using, whether you're on a PC or desktop or a phone like an iPhone or anything like that as well. However, whatever you do it on, you are going to have to use the browser version. So all you want to do is go ahead and open up Twitter or X, whatever you prefer to call it. Then go ahead and click these three little dots where it says more. And I'm going to see a lot of different options, but I want to go ahead and click on settings and privacy. Once I'm here, go over to privacy and safety, which is going to be right under security and account access. And you're going to see content you see as one of the options. Go ahead and click on that. And it's going to say display media that may contain sensitive content. By default, this might be turned off for you. So if this is unchecked, all you want to do is check it like so in this box, and then it's going to look like a blue tick. And then that's it. Once you refresh your Twitter, you're going to be able to see sensitive content if you choose to. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.